was impressed with these headphones because there are a lot out there to choose from, and they are definitely not all made the same, but these work really well, and I was especially impressed with how well they stay in my ears. So I did a little head shake test to try and show you that these earbuds really don't budge. The sound quality on them is really great, and since they won't budge out of your ears, you can do all sorts of things like cleaning the house or working out, or you can even just use them for work. They come in a nice box, which means they also make a really great gift. And you store them in this case, which also displays the battery level and charges them. They have a very sleek design, and there are a lot of commands that you can do just by tapping on them, like double tapping on either earbud to pause or play whatever you're listening to, or tapping 3 times on the right to skip to the next track, or 3 times on the left to skip to the previous track, or holding down to increase or decrease the volume. You can also activate Siri or whatever works with your phone. They come with a USB-C charge cable, but they also can do wireless charging if you have a dock that can do that.